Hi everyone, welcome to Hudayat Diaries. I know it's been more than 3 weeks that I uploaded a new vlog. I was not well, so I could not edit the vlogs on time. So here I am with my Eid vlog. Hope you will like it. So keep watching. We went to Doha Festival City to buy a dress for Huda and Ayed. So they were very pretty collections. So we got the dress from Max. Here Huda and I enjoying while doing shopping. Huda and Ayat both love mehendi, so tried applying some henna on their hands. I'm not expert, I don't know how to put mehendi, but I tried my level best. Kids are ready with their new dress. We are going to nearby mosque for Eid Salah. After finishing the Eid Salah, we went to Cornish. It was very refreshing. Early morning we took a long walk near the beach. After spending some time in Cornish, we went to hotel to have breakfast. I didn't prepare breakfast on Eid day. So we are having all vegetarian breakfast, South Indian dishes. Evening we went to Khatara to see the fireworks. During Eid days, Khatara will conduct the fireworks. Kids wanted to see that, so we went there. Since it's summer here in Qatar, it was really very hot, so kids wanted to have some shaved ice cream. Ayat is so excited to eat ice cream. It was really very crowded. There were lots of people who had come to watch the fireworks. Around 10 o'clock the fireworks started. kids really enjoyed it. It was like first time for them watching the fireworks. Finally, after the fireworks, we went home. So this is how we celebrated the Eid this year. Hope you liked it. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.